morning, class 2 students. So, how are you? Very fine, na? Are you practicing all the units of your grammar subject? Yes or no? You have to do practice of all the units in your CW book. Okay. So, in the last class, we have learned about the negative sentences. Sentences. Negative sentences is the sentences where we use no or not with the verb. Okay. So that the sentence becomes the negative sentence. But today we are going to learn a new type of sentences. That is interrogative sentences. Unit number 18, interrogative sentence. What is that interrogative sentences? Let's learn. Look. Sita has a doll. Sita has a doll. That means Sita के पास doll है. It is a statement. Okay? It is a statement. But here look. Has Sita a doll? Somebody is asking. Sita के पास doll है. Has Sita a doll? So here the first sentence tells states something. The first sentence tells us something that Sita has a doll. But the second sentence asks something, that is, has Sita a doll? So this type of sentence is called as statement, and this type of sentence is called as question. That means this sentence asks something, but this statement tells something. This is statement and this is question. Okay? So this statement has a question mark at the end of the sentence. Okay? So this is called as interrogative sentences. Okay, got it, students? When the sentence asks something and the sentence has a question mark, look, this question mark at the end of the sentence, that is called as interrogative sentence. So when interrogative sentence is written, first verb is written, next subject is written, next other things. Okay? Next other things. Always interrogative starts with the verb, then subject is there. Okay? And at the end of the interrogative sentence, question mark is there. So first thing is verb plus subject, then other things. Second thing is question mark is at the end. Okay? These two things you have to remember so that you will be able to write the interrogative sentence. Okay? Now we will look the examples. Look, I am ill today. Am I ill today? Look, verb is first, then subject, then question mark. Okay? So in this manner, interrogative sentences are written. He is busy now. Is he busy now? The doors are open. Are the doors open? Are the doors open? Bali and Harish are brothers. Are Bali and Harish brothers? She was present yesterday. Was she present yesterday? वो कल क्लास में प्रेजेंट थी. कल वो क्लास में प्रेजेंट थी क्या? You were ill yesterday. Were you ill yesterday? Rama has a watch. Has Rama a watch? She has no money in her purse. Has she no money in her purse? We shall play the match tomorrow. Shall we play the match tomorrow? Look, in each and every interrogative sentence, verb is first. Look, the blue colored word. This is verb. And this is subject. The doors, Bali and Harish, she, you, Rama, she, we, etc. They will visit Delhi on Wednesday. Will they visit Delhi on Wednesday? And question mark is there. Look, in each and every sentence, question mark is there. Got it, students? These two things you have to remember so that it will be easy for you to make the interrogative sentence. Now open the page number 68. Look, students, the same thing what I had said before few seconds, that is written. In the question sentence, the verb is placed before the subject. He is busy now. Subject may be noun or pronoun. He is busy now. This is statement. Is he busy now? Look, verb, subject. Got it, students? And question mark. Next, exercise 1. We will write down. Turn the following statements into questions. They were in a great hurry. Look, students, I am just writing. You just follow me. Okay? They were in a great hurry. Were they in a great hurry? So write down. Look, verb, subject, that is pronoun, then other things and a. And question mark. Great hurry. It will rain tomorrow. Will it rain tomorrow? Will it rain tomorrow? Sita has no money. Has Sita no money? They are watching the match. Are they watching the match? Then question mark. The cow is a useful animal. The cow is, it is a printing mistake. The cow is an useful animal, it should be. The cow is an useful animal. Is the cow an useful animal? Next, the children are playing football. Are the children playing football? Are the children playing football? It is very hot today. Is it very hot today? Is it very hot today? These boys were absent yesterday. Were these boys absent yesterday? There will be a holiday tomorrow. Will there be a holiday tomorrow? Will there be a holiday tomorrow? They have no food in the house. Have they no food in the house? Okay, students. So this is the exercise number 1. Next, exercise number 2. Turn the following statements into questions. She was ill yesterday. Was she ill yesterday? Was she ill yesterday? There are 7 days in a week. Are there 7 days in a week? She will come here tomorrow. Will she come here tomorrow? Will she come here tomorrow? You are not well today. Are you not well today? Sikandar has a silver watch. Has Sikandar's Sikandar has a silver watch. Has Sikandar a silver watch? They will go to Delhi tomorrow. Will they go to Delhi tomorrow? Will they go to Delhi tomorrow? The boys are doing their lessons. Are the boys doing their lessons? Are the boys doing their lessons? There are no books with them. Are there no books with them? The basket is full of red roses. Is the basket full of red roses? You were late for school this morning. Were you late for school this morning? Look, in each and every interrogative sentence, verb is first, then subject is there, then other things, and at the end, question mark is there. So, students, be careful in interrogative sentences. You have to follow these two rules. Okay. Now your unit number 18 is over, and in the next class we will be here with a new unit. So, at the end of the video session, you just watch this video very carefully and complete your textbook filling and do practice of this unit in the CW book. So, till then, bye bye. Have a nice day.